In this video, I will show you how to design with Instagram new icon. We'll create images with Instagram new logo. This tool that I'm using makes it so easy to create any image. You can design anything you want and use the Instagram new icon in your design. I'll be sharing the tool's name by the end of the video, so stay tuned. The tool has millions of images that you can use for your designs. Just search the keyword you want, like for example, coffee, and you'll get plenty of results. Click on the image you want to use. We can select this one, or this one. But we'll design something using this image. From the vertical menu, situated in the right side of the image, we select the text icon to add some text to the image. Double-click on the text to edit it. Add the text you want. I am adding, "Start the day with a nice cup of coffee." Click outside the text and then on the text again to select it. A menu appears on the left side of the image. From that menu you can adjust the text size, color, and other settings. Drag the text to the desired area and adjust it as you want. In the same menu, you have an option named Duplicate. Use it to create another text like the one you already have. This is the text we'll be using for the Instagram handle. Double-click to edit it. Now enter the Instagram account handle. I am using @CrazyBeansCoffeeShop. Next, we're getting to the part where we'll use the new Instagram icon /logo. From the menu and left, select Icons. A list of more than 3 million icons appears. Type Instagram to search for the new Instagram logo. Select the logo you want, and it will be added to your image. This works for any logo or any icon in the list. Scale up and down the Instagram logo by clicking and dragging the corners of the icon. Drag the Instagram logo to the location you want it, like above the text. Alternatively, you can move the Instagram icon to the left to the right of the Instagram handle. Now let's add a Pinterest icon, assuming the handle is the same as for Instagram. Search Pinterest in the search box and select the icon you like to use. Like this one I'm choosing. Scale it down to your preferred size. Now move it where you want it to be, preferably around the handle, in a symmetric position. In the lower right side, you have an option to preview and share. From here, you can preview how your image will look on different social media channels. If you click on the Facebook icon, you can see how your image looks on mobile devices or on desktop. Check how your new image will look on Twitter or on Pinterest. And you have other options for previewing and sharing. Now close the preview window to get back to the image. We can download the image by pressing the download button. From the pop-up that opens, you can rename the file as you want. You can choose the image format, the file dimensions, and some other settings. Press download, choose the location, and the file will be downloaded. You can open to take a look. Looks great, quite decent image quality. And the Instagram icon catches the eye. As you can see, this tool can create awesome images for your business or social media accounts. But what if you don't want to create an image from scratch? I've got you covered. This tool has hundreds of templates that you can use. Let's create an image for social media using a template and add the Instagram new logo. Press Template and use the search box to search for what you want. I am typing coffee. From the templates that are loading, choose one that you would like using. I like this one. Add some text. Scale it as you learned earlier. Enter the Instagram handle at Crazy Beans Coffee Shop. Change the font to something that's easy to read. Move the text in the desired position. Now, let's add the Pinterest and Instagram logos. Select the Icons tab and click on the Pinterest icon to place it on your image. Like earlier, scale it down to your desired size. Move it where you want it to be. Go to the search bar and type Instagram to load the Instagram icons. Browse and then click on the new Instagram logo to add it to your design. As before, scale down this logo to the size you want it and move it to the right position. Be creative. Try different placements for the elements you have added until you are satisfied with the result. Now the design is ready. Press on the Publish and Share button. Check how your new design looks on different social media sites, both on mobile and desktop versions, before you publish. Now press the Download button to take a closer look at your image. And press Download to get your image. Open it and take a good look at it. It was created in just 2 minutes with the help of an incredibly useful tool. Speaking of that, I am sharing a link to this tool in the description. It has a free version that has limitations on the number of images you can create and download. There is also a premium unlimited version with tons of features, images, and icons that you can use. To learn more about it and try it for free, use the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't be a stranger to this channel. We are uploading content like this because we want to share the best tools and to make your business thrive. See you soon.